Right, today I want to show you how to make the origami boat. So first what you want to do is grab the top of the paper and fold it down to the bottom. Make a crease at the top of the paper. What I like to do is just run my nail across the top. And once you do this, you fold the paper in half. Make a crease on the side here. And just open it up like this. And your 2 points here, you should see a line going through the middle of the page. So from the top right corner, put it on the middle along this crease. So it's on the middle like that. So just put it on the middle, make a crease, and the same with the left side, and to the center, make a crease. So by now you should have something that looks like this. So put it back down, forward. You should see these 2 flaps at the bottom. Take this flap here and put it up like that. So you have a flap up here, fold it up, make a crease, and turn your paper around. You should see these 2 wee points here from the sides. Just fold them on like this. Fold them, make a crease. So you should have 2 flaps like this at the back. And then from the other flap, fold them on. Same as you done these ones up here, make a crease. Same with this one, fold it on, make a crease. So what you do now is grab this bottom flap here and lift it up until the 2 edges here are at the side. So it's like this. It should be level with the other flap that was folded up. So just fold that one up, make a crease. So now you should be left with this. You can open it up. So just grab it at the side, open it up. Then this should come on like this. Just close it down like that. Make sure it's flat. So now where it opens here, the 2 flaps at the bottom, take this and drag this flap here up to the top. Make a crease. And then turn it around. And then you have this other flap, so you bring this up to this corner, up to that corner, up to the top. And then make another crease. So now you're left with this other opening, so open that and then pull these in again, like that. And then turn it up like this, and then you should see that it opens here at the top. So just open that up, just fix it. And there you have it, the origami boat. So yeah, thanks for watching.